Welcome to Rocky Mountain RV in Butte, Montana. Today we're going to take a peek at the brand new Cyclone 4270 toy hauler. New to the Cyclone family. This unit here has a front cap with tight turn technology, so trucks with 6-foot beds are good. You do not need a sliding hitch on this unit. Front compartment, of course, contains 5500 watt AWNING generator. As you can see on this one by the sticker, this one is the S5 package, which includes a second fuel tank, upgraded furniture, solid surface countertops, and a third TV. Solar port on the side for a portable solar panel if you need one. Two 30-pound propane tanks, one on the door side, one on the off-door side. It's a control panel for your auto leveling system. And this is your pass-through storage. Of course, this comes with a limited 3-year warranty and in coordination with the 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. This is a 4270, as I said, with the Canadian Arctic package. Heated tanks, enclosed underbelly. As you can tell, this is a side deck toy hauler. This one comes with the steps that will come down off of the ramp through this gate here. Extra leg for support. You can see this has a sliding glass residential door. Small storage compartment underneath the TV. Can't see it from here. Sorry, the door closed, but that is a small dorm-style refrigerator behind that other door there. You can see the TV is mounted to the door when open. That sliding glass access is right above the kitchen. It's a triple axle, 6-point auto leveling, sliding rear tire carrier, and this one comes with 3 awnings rather than 2. The third awning is above our rear patio deck. That little port above the awning is where you can put a wireless backup camera. Stepping to the rear, this one has a set of steps and a gate also, so you have a portable set of steps that go off the side here. Walking around the side, we have our fuel station here. We also have gray and black tank drain. Exhaust pipe for the generator. And in the pass-through storage on this side, we do have the docking station with all your controls. Second propane bottle is behind that door. This will give you all your tire sizes, gross vehicle weight rating, so on and so forth. LED lighting up front makes a nice little stylistic statement. Now we will head inside. Entering the coach, you see that we have a huge sofa in the slide. Now this sofa comes with cup holders, And these rear cushions will fold down with cup holders and USB ports. Little corner storage here for some knickknacks on the slide. Nice reachable storage around the refrigerator. Of course, that is a 18 cubic foot Polar Max RV refrigerator. Like about this one is you have a little quasi bar here that you can sit down at in the morning and eat your breakfast without having to use the table in the back. Plenty of storage in the kitchen for your 3-burner stovetop and oven. That is a convection microwave you're seeing there. And then an Ultra 4K HD TV. That looks to be about a 55-inch, I think. Coming around, you can see that there's more storage. I will walk back up there in a second. First of all, I'm going to go back to the garage area. New for the Cyclone this year is a folding access door slash to the second half bath that you can unlatch here, fold back, and snap back there, and it gives you a little bit more room for your side-by-side, left to right. Washer dryer prep, plug-ins for your TV. There's your stereo for your outside speakers and for the speakers in here, but not for the TV. The TV has its own separate surround sound, soundbar. Controls for the awnings and slides and so forth. A little bit of storage up here, and of course a nice little loft for the kids. Coming back, you see that we have both sets of steps for the patios, opposing dinette seats. The table will sit between those two, and it is force fitted to the floor. That little door there you see is for storage for tow straps and chains and so forth like that. And then of course up above here we got the Happy Jack bed that will come down and make a queen size sleeping surface. It comes down to about the height of the windows there. It's a vent for when you're going down the road, so if you get any gas smell from venting on your side-by-side, it'll go in and it'll go out. There's one behind the back seat here too. Down there, there's a low vent down on that side for airflow. Okay, moving forward, we'll go back to the kitchen area here again for a second. And there's a soundbar I was speaking of, right there. Little coat closet there. You can probably throw some shoes in the bottom of that. A little bit small storage up above there. And behind this door is your control panel. Your start for your generator, all your slides, switch for your YETI package, which is your cold weather package. Okay, let's head up to the bathroom and bedroom now. This one has a wardrobe slide, so the first access for the wardrobe slide is opposite of the bedroom. And that's a good place to put coats, towels, so forth. Walking into the bedroom, you see we have a king-size bed. Now this bed is also an articulating bed, so that bed will fold flat also. So up in this position, it's nice for watching TV, reading, so forth like that. Then it's power, so it will fold flat and come up pretty close to the wall here. Here's some more pass-through storage, or excuse me, this is your wardrobe slide storage, big drawers underneath. So plenty of room for your clothes if you're on an extended trip or if you plan on living in this. And by the way, these Cyclones are warranted for full-time RVing, so that won't be a problem. Here's the bathroom. Like this because it has a tub shower combination and a nice one. Good size. If you have kids with them, that's a nice feature to have. Quality shower head. Skylight for a little bit more headroom. Porcelain toilet. Sink. Nice vanity and cabinet there for some towels and so forth like that. Once again, we'll come out and we'll give you a nice little view of the whole living area. Gary Corbin, Rocky Mountain RV. Thanks for looking at our video. Butte, Montana, area code 406-494-2555.